amidst the sun-scorched sands of Meydan.
Just 8 minutes from downtown Dubai, this place is about to witness the impossible. 836,000 square meters, an area larger than the harbor of Monaco. An $8.2 billion megacity, gathering 12 magnificent towers.
For the first time in history, the Mercedes-Benz brand names an entire city.
The strategic handshake between BinGhatti and Stuttgart redefines the standard of ultra-luxury living.
13.000 căn hộ cao cấp đang dần hình thành từng ngày dưới ánh mặt trời.
Every boundary is precisely located, preparing for the journey to conquer the underground.
Concrete piles must be drilled up to 30 meters deep, seeking a solid anchor point.
Every steel cage is meticulously woven, engineered to withstand tens of thousands of tons of load. The pit is being filled with concrete.
Thousands of piles are deployed simultaneously, creating an ultra-durable foundation matrix. The pile cap connects all the pile heads, evenly distributing the massive pressure of the building.
The mass concrete pour lasts for days, absolutely allowing no cold joints to occur.
Every foundation pile undergoes rigorous ultrasonic testing, achieving maximum perfection.
The monolithic ground beam system interconnects the foundations of all 12 towers.
A 3-level basement takes shape, providing over 3,000 smart parking spaces.
Premium waterproofing membranes protect the structure against corrosive salts and subterranean desert moisture.
The work of reinforcing steel for the foundations of 12 buildings is nearing completion in preparation for pouring the foundations.
Concrete pouring machines for building foundations are operating in parallel, gradually forming foundations capable of supporting loads of up to thousands of tons.
The concept has left the blueprints. The race to the sky officially begins. The focal point of the megacity is the hub, featuring sweeping architectural curves. Every steel bar is precisely hand-bent, accommodating the sophisticated curves of Mercedes.
Post-tensioning technology enables massive spans without obstructive columns blocking the view.
The infinity pool framework takes shape, a place that will capture the entire view of Burj Khalifa. Standing at the center, you can see 12 tower cranes simultaneously. All the towers are pointing towards this central area. Looking down from the peak, looking up the stele, the colossal scale of a future city becomes clear. The automated jump form system allows the structural core to grow 1 floor per day.
Concrete floors are constructed successively, following a continuous assembly line rhythm.
Modern hydraulic technology
ensures absolute safety for the workforce.
The simultaneous three-tier assembly line method optimizes speed and absolute quality.
The pointed spire. A proud focal point rising from the center of the city. Every metal joint on the spire is subjected to strictly controlled torque testing.
Expansive interior spaces, thanks to advanced post-tensioned flat slab structures.
The MEP technical systems closely follow the structure, ready for the finishing phase.
Hitting the 40-floor mark, the Meydan skyline now belongs to Mercedes-Benz.
Floor 60, where the ultra-luxury penthouses reign among the clouds. The first tower is structurally topped out, marking a historic milestone for the project. Specialized structural silicone sealant defies Dubai's salty 50°C heat.
The legendary three-pointed star is exquisitely crafted and assembled entirely by hand.
High-pressure water hose testing entirely eliminates the risk of leaks during sandstorms. Concealed smart home systems govern every living scenario with just a single touch. The elite kitchen space is hand-assembled using a refined minimalist design language.
Jace. The infinity pool on the 40th floor boasts an invaluable direct view of the Burj Khalifa.
Premium spa and wellness areas deliver an elite relaxation experience for the privileged. Every material finishing detail must pass the rigorous approval process from Stuttgart.
The diagnostics are clear. Looks like we have a perfect signal.
Finally, all green across the board. The resolution is amazing.
The ground floor commercial boulevard, where the world's leading luxury brands will converge.
The green ecosystem is carefully hoisted into place, forging a refreshing oasis amidst the city.
The artistic water feature creates a refreshing babbling audio focal point for the promenade.
Ultra-fast EV charging stations are always ready to embrace the future era of green mobility.
From the apartment's glass window, the entire magnificent Dubai skyline is captured in your view.
Subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a new recycling adventure.